Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have two things ready: clean lookup keys and consistent data types. First, select the lookup column and convert to table. This locks ranges as you edit. Next, pick VLOOKUP when you need a column index number or XLOOKUP when you want a flexible return column and built-in defaults. Enter the formula in the first result cell using exact match, then press enter and fill down. Once done, verify types. Numbers stored as text will break the match. Now you construct the core lookup. With VLOOKUP, type equals VLOOKUP, lookup value, table name, call index num false so you get an exact match, lock the table reference. With XLOOKUP, type equals XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, not found, 0, which is simpler and allows left lookups. For multiple conditions, combine with index/match or use helper columns. Make sure your lookup value formatting matches the lookup array. Otherwise, you will get wrong. Finish by validating results across edge cases and empty rows. You should sample several lookups and confirm that numbers, dates, and text match exactly. If you see #n/a, wrap formulas with ifna or use XLOOKUP not found argument to show a clear message. If values return incorrectly, check for extra spaces, inconsistent number formatting, or wrong column index. Finally, lock key ranges, add data validation, and keep one documented example so you can reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.